Hi guys, good evening. How are you? We are going for a new trip today. We are going to. Where are we going? Baby. Where are we going, baby? Where are we going? Jebel. Which Jebel are we going? Huh? Forest Jebel. Today we are going to a Jebel called as Hajif, a mountain called as Hajif near Salalah. So we are going towards Hajif mountain. Hajif mountains are one of the beautiful mountains here. Last time we had gone to Madinat al-Haq. Today we are going to Hajif. It's around 4:15 in the evening now. And the temperature here is around 27 degrees centigrade now in Salalah. As we go up the mountain, the temperature will come down. It will be very cold over there. There will be a lot of fog and greenery all around because it's rainy season here now. Rainy season in Salalah is called as Kharif, and fortunately there's a lot of rains. You can see greenery all around, and this is a road which goes to that mountain Hajif. You can see a lot of vehicles coming down from the mountain, and especially during this time many people have come down from Muscat, from Dubai and Abu Dhabi and many other Emirates, many other Gulf countries to enjoy this beautiful weather in Kharif. And as you can see, the greenery has started here on both sides of the road. You can see the greenery starting from here onwards. Both sides of the road you can see there is very few shops and buildings here. This is a village on the mountain called Hajif. There are small villages there where local Omanis reside, and these are very beautiful places. Most of the mountains around Salalah are really very beautiful, and as you climb the mountain you can see the foggy roads and winding roads which are really a treat to the eyes. You can see the small droplets of water on the windshield. There's a small drizzling rain and it's so beautiful. The weather is so nice. From here the mountain starts. The mountain climb starts from here. All this time it was not raining. Now it started raining now. It started drizzling now. You can see how beautiful the Jebel looks during the rain. The roads are a bit slippery and you have to be very careful when driving. This is a small viewing spot here. You can stop, you can park your car here and see the scenic beauty around. There are many people who have parked their cars here and they're looking around. You can see those mountains with so many trees there. There are all forests, small forests here in the Jebel. And you can see the foggy mountains there. They look so beautiful. This is the first hairpin bend. It's the one hairpin bend here. There are so many hairpin bends in this mountain as you climb this mountain. hairpin bend.
ഇത് നമ്മുടെ വയനാട്ടിലേക്ക് പോകുന്ന റോഡില്ല എന്താ അതുപോലത്തെ റോഡാണ്.
ഇതാ വയനാട്ട് പോയിട്ടില്ലേ?
Sometimes it becomes so foggy that you cannot see the road. You can't. ശരിക്കും അടച്ചിട്ടില്ല. ഗ്ലാസ് കേസ് ഉണ്ടാ? ഗ്ലാസ് കേസ്. See, as you're climbing up, the temperature is coming down. Now it is 26 degrees centigrade. And it is becoming more and more foggy. The road is becoming less visible. The visibility is becoming very poor as we climb up. Beautiful drive with this road has been carved out of this mountain. They have made this road by cutting through this huge rocks. So you can see the huge mountains on both sides. See, as you can see, the visibility is so poor. You cannot see the roads. Very foggy. And it's very cold outside here now. One more hairpin bend. Foggy, cannot see anything. The road is not visible at all. The visibility is so poor. The visibility is very poor. I think we'll have to go back. So the temperature is 25 degrees now. Temperature is 25 degrees. One more hairpin bend. Oh my god, the visibility is becoming very poor. Temperature is dropping down further. It's 24 degrees now. I'm worried about the vehicles which are coming down because they sometimes they lose control because of the slippery roads. I put the hazard signal now so that people coming from the other side can see my vehicle. Oh, he's coming so fast. We took a small off-road and we came towards a small road and we could find a small private property here. So this is somebody's house here, a village house here. And you can see some turkey. You can see some turkey here. That's a cow shed there. The main source of income for people living here in the mountains are the cattle. They sell the milk and they also sell the animals when they are in need. Each family will have a lot of cows and goats and sometimes even camels as their possession. So whenever they are in need, they sell these animals for money, especially during the festivals. As you can see the beautiful scenery here, a lot of small trees. Most of these trees are deciduous trees and they lose all their leaves after winter, and then during Kharif they again sprout and they become green. We stopped our car on the wayside here and just we're exploring a bit, walking around to see the beauty. There is some fence here. I don't know why they've fenced it here. Might be some protected area. I don't know why they've fenced here. Might be a private property. But the fence really looks very nice. Get down? Yes. Did you like this place, babe? Slowly, slowly, you may fall down. Okay. Maybe it's very slippery there. Maybe wait. Don't go alone. Don't go alone. Because tigers may come from there. It's a forest there. Forest. Yeah, don't go there. Don't run. Don't run. Don't run. Don't run. Just walk. Okay. Just walk. Don't run. Forest is not the forest. 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 Are you wild flowers here. Flowers. So these flowers are very common in Kerala, especially during the Onam season. And I remember during our childhood that we used to use these flowers to make a nice flower arrangement we call as Pookalam in Kerala, a kind of rangoli, which is done especially during Onam season. And this rangoli is put to welcome Mahabali, the King Mahabali. And we use these flowers. want to play here?
Yeah.
What do you want to play? Baby, baby, baby. Baby, it's raining. Where's this cap? It's raining. Where's this cap, babe? Don't go to the road. Baby, don't go to the road. Play here. Play here. No, here, here. That's a transformer. That's a transformer. That's a transformer. We took many hairpin bends. We climbed the beautiful Jebel Road, beautiful mountain road, and we reached a junction here. This road goes to Hajif, and the whole area which we are driving is called Hajif. And the top of this mountain there's a junction. So we thought of stopping here for some time, enjoying this weather here. It's drizzling. Oh, baby fell down. It's okay, no problem. So we thought of taking a break. We got down here in this beautiful place. It's very cold out here and it's drizzling, and there's a lot of fog here, and I'm getting wet actually. It's a very nice fog. It's very beautiful and very cold over here. You can see fog all around and drizzling. So now after this break, we'll be taking this diversion from here in this junction. We have reached a junction here. There are 3 roads here. One road goes towards a place called as Theetam, and the another road will go to Zeek. The road towards the left will go to Theetam, and the right road will go to Zeek. So we'll be moving towards the right and we'll go to Zeek, and from there that road will connect to Salalah, and from Zeek we'll be moving down to Salalah. And the Zeek is another beautiful place. You can see a lot of greenery there, small forests, and a lot of small houses there, local houses, Omani houses, and you can see a lot of cattle, and this and the Zeek road is very beautiful. It looks like Switzerland, the countryside of Switzerland. If you've traveled in the countryside of Switzerland, it looks like that. Baby, are you off-roading?
Yes.
Oh, you're off-roading with a Range Rover. Show me your Range Rover. Show me your Range Rover. This is your Range Rover. Move it, babe. Move it. Which is this car, babe? Which is that car, babe? Which is that car, babe? Range Rover. Which is this car? What? Which? It's feeling very cold. You're also feeling cold. Where's your shoe, babe? I thought you were wearing a shoe. This is a car. You want to pluck the flowers? It's very cold, babe. It's very cold. Shall we get inside the car? Very cold, baby. Very cold. Father has come to the mountains. He's enjoying the mountains. Look at this mountain. can't bear the cold, so we're getting into the car. Yes, come on. Baby, get into the car. This is the seat. You have to get in. It's very cold. No, you have to. You know, it's very cold. Entire mountain is covered with these flowers, these white flowers. They look so beautiful. Entire area is covered with this white flowers. I don't know how much you can appreciate it on this camera. We are going back to Salalah. We came to Hajif and then we came towards Kairun Hairti, and from Kairun Hairti now we are going towards Salalah. This road goes to Sikh. I'll take you to Sikh some other day. We have no time because it's already 6:30 now, and the weather is getting really very cold, and it's becoming very dark also. So we are going back to Salalah now. So this road will take us back to Salalah. This is a junction. From here there are two roads. One goes to Tumret and this road will go to Muscat. We'll be taking the left road now. This left road goes to Salalah. So this road will be taking us to Salalah, I think. No, not this one. Oh, sorry. We have to go this way and then go left. Yeah. So this road, the straight road goes back to Hajif, and the left road goes to Salalah. So we'll be taking this left turn and going to Salalah. Very steep road here, very dangerous road, and you have to go on heavy gear here, especially the heavy vehicles which come from Muscat. Especially during this Kharif time, because the roads are very slippery. Because of the steep roads, you can see one heavy vehicle going. They go very, very slowly to avoid accidents. And most of the vehicles who are going here are very careful and they put the hazard signal and move on. We've also put the hazard signal. You can see those vehicles climbing up with great difficulty. There are those heavy vehicles moving towards Muscat. And this is a very busy road most of the time, heavy traffic, especially during Kharif season, because many tourists come to Salalah from Muscat. These are all vehicles coming from Muscat. These cars are tourists coming from Muscat to see Salalah during Kharif. Now we are reaching Salalah and we are climbing now we are moving down this hill, and you can see Salalah from here. Entire Salalah you can see here, but now it is dark and you may not be able to see properly. See how this trailer is going. See, it's so difficult for them to get the brake, so they move very, very, very slowly on top here. These are huge vehicles carrying cars to Salalah. So people who travel to Salalah by flight, they send their cars by trailers, and these trailers bring their cars from Muscat to Salalah. So you can see how slowly they are moving, these heavy vehicles, these large trailers and trucks like this. They move very, very, very slowly. So it was a beautiful drive. We took a whole round down around this mountain. So we climbed the mountain from one side of Salalah, that is one end of Salalah, that's near the airport, and then we took a whole roundabout. We went all over the mountain, and we climbed down the mountain to reach the other end of Salalah, and that is on the Tumriyat road or on the Muscat road, Muscat highway, Muscat Salalah highway. So we got into the Muscat Salalah highway, and now we are driving back to Salalah. So this is the outskirts of Salalah. Within a few minutes we'll be entering Salalah city. These are all cars coming from Muscat. They're all tourists coming to enjoy the weekend in Salalah. Many people come and stay here for 1 or 2 weeks. Most of the hotels and home stays here, everything get full during this time. So when you come to Salalah from Muscat, we'll be entering a place called as Sada, and from the Sada we'll take a right turn towards Salalah. This is Sada. There's a roundabout here, and if you take a right turn from here, you can go towards Salalah airport, and if you take the straight road, you'll be going to Salalah town. So this is the first roundabout you get when you enter Salalah. This is the Hamre roundabout, and if you take a right turn from here, you can go towards Salalah airport and Itin. Itin is another mountain. If you go straight, we'll be going towards Salalah. If you turn left from here, you'll be going towards a place called as Sahalnut, and that is also a very beautiful mountain. So now we are going towards Pizza Inn. We have ordered for pizza from Pizza Inn, and I think our order is ready by now. We had ordered online, and by now I think it might be ready. This is Pizza Inn near which is this place in Wadi, Al Wadi in Salalah. This is on the way to Lulu, Salalah Lulu. So I think we'll search for a parking here, and we'll take our order from here. We'll park our car here.
I'm waiting for my pizza. I had ordered one large pizza and one medium pizza, and my bill is approximately around 5 riyal. I'll be getting my pizza now.
So pizza is ready now. Oh, Madhav is awake now. Oh, Madhav, hi. Your pizza is ready. So our pizza is ready. So we're going to have this one small pizza and one large pizza we've ordered. The first time we are ordering from Pizza Inn. Usually we order from Pizza Hut. We usually order from Pizza Hut. For a change, we ordered from Pizza Inn this time. It's a large pizza, but it doesn't look that great as Pizza Hut pizzas are really very nice. This one doesn't look that great.
Pizza.
This is a large pizza, but it looks not that great. Even the crust isn't good.
Until we meet next time, it's a bye from all of us here. Bye. Thanks for watching.